Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a nice little crab for lunch. It's basically a croissant with ham and cheese inside. So let's not linger and let's get started. First we cut our brioche in half. Now we fill it with ham and cheese. We close it. We turn it. And we start by making the fangs of our crab. We put this on the side. We take a cucumber. It's washed, it's still wet. We chop this part off. Now we cut a corner out. And another corner. And we proceed with the eyes. So to cut out the eyes, we try to make a circular shape by cutting it with a knife. You can also use one of your cookie shapes if you have them. We need 2 circles because the crab will have 2 eyes. If you want to make a monster crab, you can make more circles. And now all that's missing is the pupil of our crab. For that we take a black olive, we cut it in half, and place it here. And there we have our crab. So here we have our finished crab, our masterpiece. As you saw, it's very complicated, and this is it. I'm going to eat it now, and I'll bid you farewell. I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!